Marsha Gauntlet Kirby, and welcome back to the Brown Face Bee. All right, so judging by the title, the no buy July, it's over. It's a wrap. I played myself, basically. No, in all seriousness, I totally forgot that I was taking a girls trip. Actually, we just got back yesterday. Taking a girls trip, today's Sunday. A girls trip, a short girls trip with my sister wives, and we went to, the whole trip was to a winery in the Poconos, but there are also outlets up there, so we decided to stop by, and I broke the no buy. Actually, the no buy July was broken when I remembered that I am attending Monroe Steele's meet and greet next week. Now, well, actually, it's this week because it's going to be it's today's Sunday. It's going to be on Saturday. Now, I know that we do not, or, you know, if we have enough things already, we don't have to buy things for an event, especially if we have many things in our closets. I happen to go, this is the problem. I happen to go on Gilt and I found the bag that I was looking for. I did talk about it in my Bottega Dupe video. I found a similar bag to the one that I was looking for, so I'm going to actually show you that in this video. But I was thinking in my head, although I wasn't shopping for the Monroe Steele event, it popped up in my head like, oh wow, this would be an added touch, you know, or I could use it to work into whatever outfit I'm going to wear. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you, this is not gonna be a long video. I'm gonna show you just a few pieces that I got from the outlets, and then the few things I got from Gilt, and that's it. We just got back from the mall. I finally got my husband took me to the mall to pick up my gift, as you see in the background there. Actually, both gifts are from him. The little Gucci was from my anniversary last year, and the Louis Vuitton is for my graduation gift. But that will be in a separate video. But there is a reel going up today documenting me going to the mall. That should be up on my Instagram, which will be right here. Okay, now let's get into this mini haul. I plan on putting up, next week's video should be a coupling of the Monroe, like vlogging the Monroe Steele event, and I also vlog my girls trip. So you will see me and my sister wives, which includes Be About Town, doing some shopping. So we went to the Klein outlet and I picked up, I don't know what it was, but this caught my attention. I thought it was really cute. It seems simple, but in my head, I saw it with a number of different like bottoms or different outfits, even dressed up, dressed down. It's just a crop t-shirt, and it has Calvin Klein, you know, how Calvin Klein's logo written on the back of it. And then it has, which was what attracted me to this, because y'all know I love color, this Calvin Klein logo, a multicolor Calvin Klein logo, and it is cropped. I got this in a size small, and everything was 40%, well, mostly 40% with an extra 20. There were things that were 75% off with an extra 20, 60% off with an extra 20. So this was 40 with an extra 20% off. So if you guys are going to the outlets, just, you know, head over to Calvin Klein, okay? And this last piece I got from Calvin Klein, because y'all know I live for a denim piece, okay? It is this, like, I guess I'm gonna say a shift dress. I didn't try anything on. This is a quick video. I'm trying to, you know, show you guys what I got, and then next week you will probably see, you will more than likely see what I wore when I upload that video. Anyway, it's just a little shift dress, denim shift dress from Calvin Klein. Some of these things that I'm trying on, not shirts, dresses, shorts, pants, they're very short, so I went with the medium to give me length, even though I didn't try it on. So let's hope it does what I hope it will do. Also from the outlet, and this actually wasn't on my radar, but a few of my sister wives came back with some bangles from Spade, so I decided to go over there. I do have one bracelet from Spade already. It's in this, I'll just show this to you. It's a little dust bag right here. I have this gold, you know, the Spade bracelet, which is so beautiful, because you know I need, it has to give zhuzh. So this is a bracelet that I already had, and then they went to the store and the bracelets were was it 60% off? I want to say 60% off, so I ran over there as well, and I got a new dust bag, or is it a dust bag with bracelets, with accessories. Okay, the dust bag. And this is pink and green. And come on, y'all know those are my two, look at this. Look, my two favorite colors, all right? So I got this pink and green dust bag. This was $1. But then I got these bracelets. Now I don't know the name of anything. I'm just gonna show you the bracelets. So I got this one. Can you guys see that? This one. And then I got this one that has like almost like the cubic zirconia here and then a white spade here. And it's tiny, but my wrists are very small and I have a hard time finding things to fit my wrist. But this is, look at that, it's perfect. I haven't tried the other one on yet, but look at this, perfection. So I saw these two things on Zara because I have a knack of knowing the things that are going to sell out. This piece, not in particular, I just saw this because there was a blazer to it. There's a whole set, like a whole outfit. Blazer, pants, and this kimono. I don't know if there's a top. I don't think there's a top. But the blazer, I have it saved for, I was like, okay, once I break the no by July, even though I broke it for this, but I'll go back for the blazer. But I've got this kimono because of the colors, y'all. And y'all know Monroe likes colors too. But anyway, this kimono, I don't know if you guys can see. It's short and it has a belt, right? I got this in a small, and I plan to more wear it as a top, just like a flowy, if I wear it, let's see, a flowy top. But I really love the colors in this, and the blazer had the same color, had similar colors. It was the same pattern, actually. I will link this below so you can get a better view of it on the models at Zara. And then this is really what I had my eye on. This dark green bubble hem skirt. Now this is midi. It's so it's a midi skirt. Since I already have the short one from Urban Revival, I was like, all right, let me get something a little longer. So I got this one, and it's elasticized at the waist, and I got mine in a size small. So I don't know, I'll see what I can put together because I'm trying to go through outfits in my head now for the event. Also because I have to travel to the event, I have to get on the bus, get on the train, and I am meeting my bestie there. She also signed up for the event, so we're gonna go together and then probably go to eat, either go to eat before or after the event. All right, what broke the no by July? Now I just opened it, so this is pretty much an unboxing. I don't know how the bag looks, so I ordered a bag and a top. Someone, I don't know if this, I saw this, it's a dress. I saw this just before. It was on deep sale on Gilt, so I just added it to the order. So I'll show you this first. Let's see, I don't even know what it looks like. But it's bright, and you guys, I'm having a love affair with orange, I think since last summer. Y'all know I love a padded shoulder. Okay, so it is this padded shoulder orange dress from Farm Rio. It looks like it's going to, well, it's gonna be long, yeah, long enough. It says going bananas on the front, craving for summer. So I feel I can really zhuzh this up with some gold accessories. So we'll see, because I thought this would be kind of cool to wear. Zhuzh it up, make it look really fly for this week, not next week. All right, it's small. Yeah, let's see. I probably should get a scissors. Tiny, y'all. Oh, wow. It was on sale too. So this is the gold Bottega Jody Dupe. Oh, well, it's very pretty, but it's small. But it's pretty. I have been getting used to, not really getting used to, I love the size of the ones I got from TJ Maxx. Those hold so much, but you can still carry them at night and in the day. I'll try to link the video somewhere here, you know, somewhere in the, put it in the cards or put it down below. But yeah, I love the size of that. So I don't know, I guess I wasn't prepared. For some reason in my mind, I had it as the same size, but we're gonna make it work. Now I have different sizes. Let's see. It is real leather, and it was like the only one left. That's why I grabbed it, because these have been selling, they're really pretty much sold out. This is by Tiffany and Fred. There are all the other colors that come back frequently, but this one is just hard to come by, I think, because it's popular. You can find it on the Tiffany and Fred site, but it's going to be $300 and something, and this was on sale at Gilt, because usually I found it on Gilt and RueLaLa for I think $129. Even on the Shop Premium Outlet site, it's usually $120, no less than $120. So $129 or not no less than $120, $119 or $129, and this was $99 on Gilt. I don't know. I see a pairing here, right? We could pair this and this, and I'll just find, I don't know, some shoes, some, what do you call it? Gold shoes. Maybe not. Maybe brown. Okay, we're gonna figure, even maybe some pink. Oh, we're gonna figure this out. With the skirt, look, we just gotta find, okay, how are we working this out now? Okay, the color. Look at this. Working this out. So what, this top and the skirt, working this out. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see it? All right, guys, that is it for me. Just a very quick video showing you what broke my no by July. Oh, if any of you are attending the Monroe Steal event, please drop it in the comments below. When we see each other next week out in Brooklyn, my hometown, please say hello. All right, have a blessed week, and I will speak to you next time. Bye.